Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add full reel to Instagram story. So open your Instagram app and go to reel sections. So scroll down to find any random reel to choose. So I will choose this yogurt for littles. So I will go to three dots and copy the link and go back and open the Play Store, and you will download repost for Instagram post stories. You have to download this application and it will be the copy link, paste it here and it will be automatically generated. So you click to add story and it will be automatically add to your story. So you have to convert into reel. So keep continue and click to next. So when you click to next, click to share it and it will be sharing to reels. So when it's complete, you have to check for refresh it will be uploaded or not. So you see it will be full add reel on Instagram. This is how to add full reel on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.